So for this video, I'll be talking about how to make the attachments a bit more secure. As you can see here, it's pretty loose. I've not fastened them down yet. So I would weave in the ends tightly to try to secure it down. So let me give you an example. This is the mattress stitch that we did from the previous video, and we pulled it out through the center. So I would weave in the ends. So assuming it's the same color, so you won't be able to see the ends being weaved in, I will insert it through the other stitches. Let's say this. And then we continue along this row. I think you can't really see how it's being fastened off, it's quite well hidden. And then we will move down to the next row. This is just to make sure it is as tight as possible. And then we continue along the row. You can continue to secure it down in subsequent rows, but you can see that it's tighter like this. And then I would tuck it back in, side, and then after that tie off with the original. This was the original entry. So you can see that it's more secure. This is the initial. Yes, so you can't really see the part that you weaved in. It'll be even less obvious with the same color, but the attachment will be more secure when you weave in this way. As you can see, it's more secure this way, less likely to fall out. I would say, like I mentioned earlier, if you do the whip stitch on top of weaving in, then the attachment should be even more secure. Of course, the best way will still be to surface crochet on. I feel like that is the most secure way to attach. If you're considering changes to your amigurumi design, this is a very good consideration. But that's how you weave in the ends of the yarn tail.